What if you only had 5 chances to transform one image into another? That's Promptal. It's a daily visual puzzle where every edit counts. So, let's see if we can solve today's puzzle together. You're going to head to nightcafe.studio. Now, you're going to be prompted to sign up and create an account, which you can do using my link down in the description below. If you create an account, you get 20 free creations. It's also important that you sign up because as you create, your images are going to populate in the creations tab. And if you don't have a saved account, then your creations won't save and you won't be able to go through all the beautiful artworks that you are making on NightCafe. Okay, well, without further ado, let's just try today's Promptal puzzle. So you're going to see at the top of the page, it tells you what number Promptal it is. This is number 24. So this is still in its very early phases. We're still learning about what people want from Promptal, what it encourages them to play. You're going to use edit prompts, which is a feature on NightCafe to transform this start image, so this apple sitting on a desk, into the target image. And the target image is this pumpkin. So if you can reach 90% similarity within 5 steps, then you win. And it also tells you how many people have actually solved the puzzle so far today. There's also more details here. I guess the biggest thing is that Promptal really depends on how well you are at explaining the changes you want to make to the AI. So a lot of it is testing prompting skills. So here, be specific about what you want to change. Avoid trying to change too many things at once, and don't spend too many characters on things like leave everything else the same, because that's already done automatically behind the scenes. And when I say characters, I mean you're given 75 characters to be able to change this start image into the target image. There's also a leaderboard, which we can take a look at when we finish. Also some explaining with scoring, which we can go over after we try this. Okay, so let's just try this. I'm gonna put my mic down. Okay, I hope I'm not too far and my audio still sounds good. But let's just start with turn the apple into a jack-o'-lantern during the fall time on a porch. I think that should be good. Let's try it. So after your first step, it'll tell you how close the content of the image got to the final image. We did hit the secret keyword and we did get the secret detail. So just to show you exactly how scoring goes, every turn your edit is compared to the target image and it's scored from 0 to 100. And if you can hit 90%, like I mentioned before, then you win. So content just pretty much sees if the objects and the subjects in your image match the actual target image. Style really just double checks if the artistic style of your photo matches the target. So is it realistic or is it an illustration style, just like the target image, whatever, and that varies every day. And then placement, is the composition similar? And making sure that the key elements are in the same part of the frame at a similar scale. Color palette is also tested, and lighting as well, which goes with color. Keyword is the required keyword in at least one prompt. And there's also a secret detail. So this just makes sure that your image includes the visible secret detail. Okay, well, since all that's explaining is out of the way, let's turn this into a brick house. Now I want to change the background into a brick house during autumn time. Oh, well, that's not what I wanted, but it's close. Oh, and then now we also scored the secret detail. AI is so literal that it is in front of a brick house, but it's not the right way. Okay, so let's say in front of the door of a brick house, full-time stoop decor. I don't know, that might work. This might be off. Ah, come on. We're almost there. But for some reason, okay, sorry guys, I'm getting so excited because this is actually one of the highest scores I've gotten on Promptal. I usually hit around 60%, but this time I'm almost at 90%. And I'm kind of nervous because this is step 4 out of 5. And what if I run out? Okay, let's say close up of the pumpkin on the steps. Also, these images are just making me excited for fall. 85. Okay, let's just try and focus on, I guess, the style. So hyper-realistic photo, golden lighting, jack-o'-lantern is the main subject. I don't know how we ended up so far away from the start image. Okay. Oh, wow! We got it, guys. 90% match. So once you hit your 5th try, you get the option to download and share this awesome scorecard. And you can also watch a replay on how you did. So this just takes you through every step, and it also hides the info so that other people aren't able to cheat. And this just makes it easier to share with your friends and family. There's also another reminder of how many people have solved the puzzle. So we are part of the 58% that have solved the puzzle so far. You can also reveal the day before's secret and the secret detail. So tomorrow we can come back and see the secret detail and the keyword for today's Promptal. There's also the option for giving some feedback here, which we love. Thank you for everyone who always gives feedback. That helps so much with us and the team, trying to make things better every day. And then lastly, there is a leaderboard. So you can see other people and where they fall with Promptal. So there's today's top scores. This is how many people got it in a few tries. 97%, which I think is awesome. And then you can also see friends and how you stack up against your friends on NightCafe. And so friends are determined by whose images you're commenting on, whose images you're liking. There's really no way to add friends on NightCafe yet, but that's how this friends leaderboard is set up. And then there's also the invitation to join our daily challenge. Well, guys, we were able to make that in 5 edits, and we hit the 90% threshold to win. So that was a really good one. Let me know in the comments, are you guys playing Promptal? Have you played Promptal yet? And what do you think about the game? Make sure to type your reply below so we can chat about all of the cool things going on in NightCafe. So tomorrow's puzzle is going to be completely different, and every day is a fresh new challenge. So remember, if you'd like to give Promptal a try, you can find today's puzzle waiting for you in NightCafe. Tap the link down in the description to sign up and get 20 free creations. And we'd love to see how you solve it. So make sure to share your results and let us know what you guys think. Share this video, like this video, leave a comment down below, and also turn on the bell for notifications so that you guys are notified when a new video drops from NightCafe. Okay, well, that's it, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.